So what does stampede mean? A stampede refers to a sudden, panicked rush of a large group of people or animals, typically moving in a chaotic or uncontrollable manner. This usually happens when the group feels threatened or excited. A stampede can be dangerous because it can result in injury or even death due to the sheer force of the crowd. Example: the crowd caused a stampede when they rushed toward the exit after hearing an explosion. Let's look at more examples to understand how stampede is used. During the festival, a stampede broke out when people heard a loud noise, causing many to fall and get injured. The herd of elephants ran through the field in a stampede as they tried to escape the approaching fire. A stampede occurred when concert-goers rushed to the stage as the band began to play their first song. In these examples, stampede describes a rush or chaotic movement of people or animals, often in response to fear, excitement, or confusion. You might be wondering, when should I use the word stampede? You use stampede when describing a chaotic rush or uncontrolled movement of a group of people or animals, especially in dangerous or panic-filled situations. It can refer to both human crowds or groups of animals. For example, if a crowd panics and rushes to one spot, you can call that a stampede. Example: there was a stampede at the store when they announced a huge discount, and people rushed to grab the deals. Quick recap: a stampede is a sudden, panicked rush of people or animals, often in a chaotic and uncontrollable manner. It typically happens in response to fear, excitement, or confusion, and it can be dangerous. You use stampede to describe a chaotic rush or movement, especially when it causes harm or injury. Now you know what stampede means and how to use it in different situations.